Good morning, guys, and welcome to another January drive. And today we're gonna talk about, the upcoming elections, and we'll talk about party list, diba? Party list. Mas kuhaan man na ba? Party list sometimes naghan kay mga tao na disillusion sa party list because they don't really represent don't represent the voice of the ones they want to represent, diba? If you're a party list, you want to be in a voice. You're saying that you're the voice of, let's say, kung mga party list kasiman, the sentiments of the seamen, or the interests of the seamen, the interest of teachers, the interest of whatever. Sector you want to represent, diba? Unfortunately, daghan diha, of course, dili nila ma-represent og tarong ang ilang sector because lahi ilang priorities, diba? Or of course, nakalingkod na ka, lahi na. You sometimes join the politics in Congress. Or unfortunately, ang inyang party list gamit lang ng political families to, to increase their numbers in Congress. And that's sometimes the case, diba? Pero of course, we shouldn't, we won't blame personal ambition because tanan man tao nam the ambition. So kung mao nilang ambition, ila man na. But yeah, we can't stop them actually from doing that because, that's their right. If the people if the people still vote for you, diba? Nakibaw mo, daghana mo, diba? Pero lang na, hopefully these people kitay mag-represent kang certain sector, certain group, or let's say kitay maghimo ko grupo sa para mga taga Bulanon. Hopefully you would also voice really the sentiments sa imong sector, di ba? Pero unfortunately, uban diagi lang, and then nothing happens. Magpa-elect na sa taslaing parte ay kalain na sa panahon, di ba? So parang hopefully they can refine this law as well, di ba? Now, or kung di nila ma-refine ang law, dapat mga tao should be mindful. Important thing yung vote sa party list because that's representation. Ganahan ka magpa-represent. Pero may mga usahay na nag-represent certain sector kita mga Bicolano mo, nagkalagay mong party na Bicolano nga naman, di ba? Dapat i-check sa Comelec na dapat hindi sa puro na lang, di ba? Di ba na redundant na usahay na lain-lain, di ba? Pero ang kualagit anak gihapon in the end is you have to be effective in your job. Kasi iba daghan kayo buingon sa daghan kayo reklamo about party list, but they don't know there are many party lists that are also really doing their job. Diba? Pero mo na in the last election cycle, ang active kayo rin nagampanya si Bo kaning tingog, and then I think they got a lot of seats, of course, plus BBM pa to, plus Romualdez, diba? Muna magkaroon, diba? I don't know, hopefully muna. Pero girepresent ba yun din ang tingog, diba? Tingog sa mga Kabisayanan, diba? So pausa rin, wala naman, I think nasa sila yung projects dito, but they're powerful na para magtirahan sila sa uban, diba? Naibutiran nila, especially kito mga pro the 30 side na makuha, and come to think of it, they're the ones, they were together in the last campaign. Unfortunately, because nag-sour ang relationship sa VP o President. Naapektuhan sa mga galaman. Siniraay sila. Sometimes one of the worst are the breakups. So, diba? Sa ato naman din, I think nagkusog din sa ato, hopeful ay ang Ako Bisaya, di ba? Ang Ako Bisaya Party, si Sari Lagon, di ba? Yan na yun, ang second nominee ron, si anak ni Governor Garcia. Naman ako, hopefully, kung kita mga Bisaya ba, makaya mga sa mga Bicolano or kanang umbang laing kung ano, daghan sa nag-representation sa mga party list. Kung ito itong dili na ito kaya mag-elect og senador, hopefully we can put more Cebuanos or Bisaya via the party list, because we need representation, we need voice. Kung iyalag yun dito kalingon, we are kingmakers when it comes to senates, to presidents. Why not become a powerful force also in Congress? So mana di ba na hopefully yes, munang huna-hunaagin na ninyo yung party list votes. Sometimes muna people, I think there are many people who are just gonna vote for random, diba? Or akala mo kung yan mo na, I think naman yung mga batong Quiapo na party list, mo buto lang mo because that's your favorite show, but it's not related to your favorite show. Or kanang mayroon kag pick lang kag kuan na sabi mga PBB, ba unsa meaning ang PBB, di ba? Dapat you should know. Or mga yun, lingaw kay mga BFF, ang probinsyano, di ba? So una-una lang, may pagmubuto mo Ako Bisaya na lang, kay Bisaya ka kaysa mag-vote ka randomly, di ba? Although ba ang nindot lang yun, it's you better check also who's representing you or trying to represent you. Kung sakto bang mga tawhana kuan ba ni mabugin ang boses sa imong kuan, willing ba ka na ihatag imong boses ano yung mga mo represent, di ba? So wala, daghan bitang kuan na politically affiliated, pero di isa na ako makuha lang yun. It's not, I'm not gonna say that it's a good practice, but it's not surprising because these people are the ones that naman mga political family gikan that has like clout connection, even the grassroots set up to run a campaign. Pwede mo kampanya lang, pwede mo tawagin mong party list ikaw, pero nakay mo boto nimo, nakay mga leader sa certain barangays, nakay leaders certain cities, di ba? Di ba? Mo nang normally lagi na it's either na mo'y people's organization na nako na behind you or a political di ba? So mao lang na ba? So parang atong kuano na you have to choose wisely. So hapit ang election, it's just barely like 4 months. Hapit na galing campaign period. Ambot unsa kani trailing nila election, I don't know, even sa so pero magsugod lang tas party list because mana ko ingon ninyo na think about it na karon na naman ang party list, and sometimes during the elections wala din na natuwa na party list. Abot lang kung maghatag ba ng kwarta ng mga party list, that would be funny, but there are many candidates carrying a party list. Like candidate for mayor na siya party list na murag i-endorse, or na si some mayor candidate, mariating candidates, parang lazy fair lang iyang it's up to you, kamoy buto nasa iyo ba na daghang party list iyang gida. Pero saktong itong ingon sa usa na marapag di gini mo isagol ko no ang duha ka tigre sa usa ka cage. Mas bahay tingali kung politiko ni kung saan ka party list mo na doon saan para makaibaw yung supporters, di ba? Kung ako sa party list mo doon yung mga kandidato na layon ako silang pasaligan or di tagaan ako guan suporta na kung suportahan ko ninyo makampanya sa minimo, di ba? It's pretty pro-crow. May pa nagpaagihan, di ba? Na ingana. So mana right now, who are the party lists that are you looking at ba? Who are you voting? Do you know? Diba? Do you know who are representing that party list? Na makita na to sa daan na unsa na BFF kisa na BFF, diba? Bisag unsa naman lang nga, may pa ni one ang kasangga, ang kasangga, si George Royeca, and who is George Royeca? Sa angkas. Although hopefully kung taga-angkas mo, boto mo George Royeca, yes. Ang kasangga, una ka ni Gilas. Okay ba ang party list na yun, no? So yeah, we'll consider things na mga one-pack man. This is one-pack man. Parang ako Bisaya, ako Bicol, I think Sagad kayo. I think Promdi is gunning for a party list seat as well. So we'll see what happens. But also, we reiterate only that your vote is important. Never ignore that blank space sa party list or that slot sa party list, because it could matter, di ba? I mean, it should matter. It definitely matters. And I take for granted because kanang party list was a mechanism to give a voice sa mga underrepresented. Okay, main purpose ana. Where the question is, diba? Is it doing its purpose? But while there is still, while it's not abolished or unsa na diha, you have to choose the correct people that you will put in Congress. Because ang Congress magud naghanagbuhaton from crafting laws and the general politics sa Pilipinas, doing investigations, even impeachment, di ba? So put kinsa sakto mga tao wala ni gaaso sa SM, i-put ang saktong tao diha, because it's part of our country na if you want our country to progress, to move forward, to become better, it starts also from the top, from our representation, and that representation comes from the bottom, the people, the ordinary people, right in their votes, diba? So, thank you so much for watching. This is Cebu, January 2025. Mapag Cebu bay. And still, kadugod mo, di kita mo hunog na yung pit senior ninyo. Even if it's mana ang sinulog, na pit senior ihapon. Always. So I have to see you sa susunod na mga drives ng lag-laag. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.